Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by sliding the BMW E90 armrest fully forward to expose its rear access panel. Use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry off the small plastic cover. Keep your tool flat to avoid scratching the plastic or leather. Under that cover, you will see two visible mounting screws that secure the armrest to the console. Work in a well-lit area so you clearly see the fasteners and surrounding trim. This initial step takes about 1 to 2 minutes for most owners. Select the correct driver for the visible screws and remove them carefully from the armrest. Keep the screws in a small tray so they do not roll away during the procedure. After both fasteners are removed, support the armrest with one hand to prevent sudden drops. Gently lift the rear of the armrest upward to disengage it from the console hinge point. If the armrest resists, double-check for any hidden fasteners under the front pad or inside the storage compartment. Before fully removing the armrest, check inside for any electrical connector for heated or illuminated features. If present, depress the tab and disconnect the plug so you can remove the armrest completely. For reinstallation, reconnect the plug first and then align the armrest hinge with the console mounting points. Lower the armrest into place and reinstall the two screws, tightening them snugly without over-torquing. Finally, test hinge movement and any electrical functions to confirm proper reassembly and secure fitment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.